Hi friends, welcome to the WizBiz Talks of Rotary District 3141. I am your host Dr. Manish Motwani, a bariatric surgeon by profession and also be the Chief Coordinator for Rotary for the year 2021. WizBiz Talks is a unique and hot from oven initiative, a brainchild of District Governor 2021 Sunil Mehra. WizBiz Talks is an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more, to make a difference to the community. Friends, today we have Rotarian Ramesh Narayan with us, a delightful and pleasant personality. He's a terrific and strategic worker. He is presently Vice President and Area Director, APAC, of the International Advertising Association. In 2014, he was inducted into the International Advertising Association Hall of Fame. He is currently a member of the SEBI Committee for Investor Awareness and Protection. He is a past president of one of the most prestigious clubs of District 3141 and of India, that is Rotary Club of Bombay, and is credited with conceiving the international award-winning skills enhancement program Bhavishyayan for underprivileged children in municipal schools. He is the district project director for the pet project of DG Sunil Mehra, Rotary Angels. Friends, he is one person whom many people will be looking forward to as an angel to solve their problems in the year to come. So, Rameshji, welcome to this WizBiz Talks.
Namaste. Thank you. Very kind words, Doc.
Rameshji, we've heard a lot about you, and we've heard a lot about you from your friends, from your club members, from people in the district. A man of ethics, man of values, and a person who's determined to do some different and new things all the time. That is the reason you are one of the architects of Bhavishyayan. But we know very little about you on the personal front. Let us know a bit more so that many more people would know you better.
Well, apart from the fact that I am an advertising man and I'm an active Rotarian and have been one for some time, my passions are actually writing as well as photography. So I have written many columns in leading newspapers as well as magazines on marketing and advertising, and photography of course is my hobby, and traveling is another thing which I like very much. Of course, for the last I think a couple of months I have not been able to move out, but I'm sure it will pass.
It is nice to know something more about you on your personal front. You know, when Rotarians start knowing each other's hobbies more, possibly they connect with you much better. And you never know, in your next Rotary meet somewhere, someone might come and approach you. Oh, so you love photography, so you love this. I also am fond of the same thing. And you know, you can get a new friend altogether. So this is what Rotary is. And that was the purpose of asking your hobbies. But Rameshji, I would like to know something more also about your work, your profession, your business. Anything more that you would like to tell us?
So I ran an advertising agency, Canco Advertising, for around 25 years until the year 2006 when I turned 50. At which stage I had said that I would actually close down the business, and I did. So after that, all the work I've been doing is honorary work only.
And what is the kind of work that you do now, even if it is honorary? What are you involved in? What is your day-to-day life? How do you spend that?
Okay. 2-3 things. Number one is I'm still very active in the advertising industry. So as you yourself said, I am the area director of the International Advertising Association. I'm also the immediate past president of the International Advertising Association India chapter. So I do a lot of work there. At the Rotary Club, I am active in a project called Anandayan that actually deals with elder care. It's a daycare center for elders. It was started in my term as a president 2 years back. There are 2 centers now, and it's grown extremely well. We also have another project called the Lighthouse Project, where we teach little children from KG to the 4th standard in a slum called Machimar Nagar, near where I live at Cuff Parade, spoken English through innovative, fun ways. So apart from these, of course, I am also on a Supreme Court nominated committee to oversee government advertising. So that takes me to New Delhi almost every month, apart from the last few months, of course. And of course, there are the SEBI committee as well. So put together, I don't think I have a dull day at all.
So you do keep yourself extremely busy, and you are having such important tasks with you. I'm sure many people would be keen on taking some benefits out of your expertise also in time to come. Now for the year to come, that is 2020, you have been given one of the pet projects of District Governor Sunil Mehra, incoming District Governor Sunil Mehra. That is Rotary Angels. Would you like to speak 2 lines about Rotary Angels, and what are your expectations from Rotarians?
Firstly, I have to thank Sunil for entrusting this to us as a committee. It's a very robust committee and a vibrant committee. I'm glad about that. The idea itself is a very novel idea. It deals with an all important aspect of Rotary life that I don't think has been concentrated on. You see, Rotary normally deals with mega projects, getting equipment together, building things, and so on and so forth. Here, the Rotary Angels are dealing with the bottom end of the pyramid, the very, very small, poor individuals whom I'm sure are in a need of a lot of help. Also, we don't expect huge contribution from the clubs. All we want is 3,000 rupees each member of a club once a month. So if all these people contributed, we'll be able to get around 36 lakhs. I'm sure we will get a hell of a lot more than that. I know that Rotarians have a large heart, and here is an avenue through which they are encouraged to do random small acts of kindness. So the disbursement amount will be a maximum of around 15,000 rupees. And as I always say, in a place like ours, Mumbai, you look outside the window and you see a cause. There is a cause to help every day. And this Rotary Angels gives you an avenue to actually help all those causes. I believe in angels.
So, Rameshji, I would just like to reconfirm that you mean to say that at least one member of every Rotary Club gives 3,000 rupees per month for 12 months. So we have, say, 100 clubs, and 100 clubs, at least one member of club, that is 3,000 rupees per month coming from a club, that is minimum. But if in that month there are more than 1 or 2 or 3 people wanting to give, they are most welcome to give. But 3,000 rupees per club per month will be what you will be getting. So at the end of 12 months, you'll be having 36 lakhs in your kitty. With these 36 lakhs, you tend to help small people with 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 contribution, and ensuring that their needs like school fees, their needs like small needs are all taken care of. And you will be working like an angel to them कि कहाँ से पैसा आया, कहाँ को देके निकल गए, and you don't come to know. This is absolutely a brilliant job, a brilliant concept, and I would commend that you and Sunil ji have both taken up this project so seriously, and I'm sure it's going to lead to a huge difference in the way people look at Rotary. People will start looking at Rotary now that if हमें कुछ चाहिए तो हमें Rotary के पास जाना है. And Rotary is here to give, and the type of work that you are going to carry out, I'm sure it is going to create that huge difference to ensure that Rotary reaches to the next level in the help of the community. Ramesh ji, this is a brilliant concept, and it was really nice having you here. And your talk was so motivating. I'm sure that when this talk reaches to every president and every member of Rotary District 3141, it will motivate them and urge them not just to give you just that 3,000 rupees per club per month. It will give you many more thousands per month per club to ensure that this project reaches the next level. I'm again thankful to you for accepting our interview call, coming to us and speaking your mind out to all of us. And this was really encouraging for all of us. Thank you, Ramesh.
Thank you so much. Thank you.